Let's check out image styles. In Drupal 7, this was under Media and Image Styles. So the first big difference is that Drupal 8 comes with more default styles. This is helpful as a standard set of sizes that contributed modules and core modules can leverage. As of right now, if we go to the drop-down button, it's clear that you can delete these, although I suspect that this ability will be removed in the future. In Drupal 7, any core styles are non-deletable, even though you can modify them. In Drupal 7, in order to flesh out the images that have been generated through the image styles, you would have to clear the site's cache. In Drupal 8, however, you can flush individual styles. So if we wanted to rebuild these images, for example, we can click the drop-down button and click Flush. This is great for performance, since rebuilding images on the server results in a bit of a lag on the front end. If we edit one of these styles, I'm just going to edit the first one in both Drupal 7 and Drupal 8. In Drupal 7, we have to click this Override Defaults button, and then we can add a new effect. In Drupal 8, at least right now, we can add an effect without having to click that Override button. At this point, even though I think this is going to be corrected relatively soon, there's no way to revert back to the original, whereas in Drupal 7, if we went back to the image styles, there would be this revert button, and we could click it to remove our changes. In Drupal 8, if we go to the image styles, we don't get a revert operation here. When it comes to effects, there's only one more that's been added in Drupal 8, so I'm going to go back to editing each one of these styles. If we click Select New Effect here, the Convert effect has been added. And with it, we can convert from one image format to another, so from PNG to JPEG, for example. And we can choose PNG, JPEG, or GIF as the end format.